201 Santa Fe, June 15th, 2026. Furthest we can get our camera through the exterior sewer line due to a blockage in terracotta piping. Pulling back to a clean out located outside in the front yard. Multiple root intrusions in terracotta piping.